So you've been looking for the best AI app builder. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you the very platform you can use to turn your text prompts into functional custom apps ready to go. You know, I've tried and experimented using many AI tools to build apps and ones that can help you vibe code your way to building that custom app. But I've come to the conclusion that Base 44 is quite easy to use, especially if you're just a beginner and non-technical. Many of the other AI app builders have this kind of similar look to it that you get, and it tends to have too many bells and whistles that is not necessary. So Base 44 is my go-to, and you can see here you simply enter a text prompt describing what kind of app you want. As an example, I built this YouTube title generator for myself to get some ideas on what sort of YouTube video titles I can use for a future video. You simply enter what the video is about. I'm just going to put AI tools, generate the titles. You can see that it's generating all the titles, and here are the results. We've got 21 titles generated, and we've got a top pick, runners up, and curiosity driven ones, direct and straightforward, emotional hooks. So different categories depending on what kind of title I'm looking for. And also built this budgeting app where you can add your income, expenses, create your budgets here, set your finance goals, and also gives you insights of your financial status. Getting started with Base 44 is really simple. Click on start building, and then these are the pricing and plans. You can start for free, gives you 25 message credits per month. However, once you've signed up, head to your dashboard, and then here where you can see billing, down the bottom you can see have a coupon code. Enter the coupon code provided in the description box below. That'll give you extra credits to play around with. You simply start by describing what app you want to build. So right here in the text prompt, or you could very well start with one of their app templates. These are the categories. So these are pre-made apps that you can start with rather than starting from scratch. Just to give you a few examples here, we've got this productivity tool, an interactive globe, a flow schedule. We've got some other productivity tools right here. And if there's something that you like, you can simply click on clone app, and that will literally duplicate it so that you're not starting from scratch. You can see in the example budget flow app that I made here, the prompt that I created. And on the left, this is what it has created, and the design approach, app structure. The AI pretty much comes up with everything, and I simply prompted it to change the color theme to neutral tone so you can see what it's done, a bit more mono. Same goes for this YouTube title generator. This is the prompt that I used, and it went on for quite a lengthy time. And you can see some errors appear. The great thing about Base 44 is that you can debug these errors by simply getting it to look into the code again, see what's wrong, and then it'll pretty much automatically fix it all up for you, or at least give an indication of what needs to be done, such as this right here, where it requires an OpenAI API key. Also gives instructions on how to retrieve that. You're not limited to building apps just like those examples. You could very well create like a membership site like this Digital Vault, where you can provide PDFs, ebooks, or whatever digital goods all inside the members area so that you can start charging members on a recurring basis. And what's also great about Base 44 is everything can be controlled on the dashboard. All your users are managed right here. You can invite new users here. Your database is all controlled here. So if we go to digital product, for instance, we can manage all of our digital goods. You can see the file types, click on add a new product if we'd like. We can see all of our users and the product that they downloaded, also how many times they downloaded. It also gives you insights and analytics in terms of how your users interact with your website, including the top pages, also unique usage over time. There's some security features too. Also the ability to add your own AI agent, which I've got a full tutorial on, link in the description box. Another example is this demo app I created called 3. So the idea is to only add 3 to-dos, and that's your daily to-do list rather than overwhelming yourself with multiple things to do. This app also integrates an AI agent and assistant. So if you go to assistant, users can type in, what are my tasks for today? Can you add this task or task A or B? And it also integrates with WhatsApp. So users on their phone can add their to-dos or remove things on their to-do, all using WhatsApp and talking to that AI agent. So as you can see, there's quite a diverse range of apps that you can create. So whatever you are imagining, you can build using Base 44. Everything's built in, it's all in one. You don't need to register a domain name outside. Everything can be registered all within the dashboard. So if you go here, dashboard, buy your own domain name, or you can connect on an existing one to Base 44. So everything can be hosted all in Base 44, no extra fees or subscriptions paying using third parties and all of that. And really, as simple as clicking on publish, your app will be live and ready for you to get users. But go ahead, give it a try. As I said, there's a free plan, so you can play around with Base 44, see what you can build. And once you're ready to upgrade to one of its paid plans, feel free to upgrade at any time. Link to Base 44 in the description as mentioned, and that coupon code so that you'll get those extra credits. Thanks so much for watching, and do stick around to watch these next relevant videos on Base 44. See you in the next one.